Okay. We need to pick this book. Okay.
Red one.
Yeah.
Okay. Tell me the page.
Yeah. Just wait. Okay. So for probabilities, okay, not yet. You can't do that now. We need to do quite a bit of work. But let's look at this median mode. 355. Okay, right. Page 335.
What? 300?
335.
Okay.
You have it, yeah?
Yes.
Okay, so let's look at that page. Right. Now you're looking at the average and the range. Okay, so range just means the highest minus the lowest. That's all. It's not complicated.
Okay.
Yeah. So look for the largest data, and then you take this lowest data. That's all. So an average is a way of representing the whole set of data using just one number. The mode, median, and the mean are three different types of average. So they are measures of central tendency of data. That's the whole idea behind it. Okay. A mode or modal value is the most common value. Median is the middle value once items have been put in size order. So you can't work in median unless you put the data in the order. Okay. Mean is the total of all values divided by the number of those values. So we have covered this already. The range tells you how spread out your values are. So it's the largest minus the smallest value. Yeah, so simple. So let's look at the example one. Okay. 20 customers each gave a restaurant a mark out of 10. Right? So maybe they were trying to evaluate how good this restaurant is. Okay. Their marks are shown below. Find a model mark, okay, the median mark, the mean mark, and the range. Okay. So what we need to do is to order this data from the smallest to the largest first before we start working on anything. Okay. And that's what you see there. So you have 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9. Okay. So therefore, if you look at that, you have 4 times you see 7, 3 times you see 3, twice you see 2, 3 times you see 5, twice you see 6, twice you see 8, and twice you see 9. Once you see 2, and once you see 1. So the highest is the frequency is actually 7. Therefore, the mode is going to be 7.
Okay.
Right. The median, we're going to cancel the numbers, okay, one by one, okay, for the time being. Okay, so we cancel from each side one at a time. But otherwise, we are going to have the formulas. Okay, so we'll be able to find the formulas. But now it's too early. So we cancel 9, we cancel 1, we cancel 9, we cancel 2, we cancel this until you find the middle number. Okay, but otherwise, now you look at this here. If you cancel them, the numbers that are going to remain, okay, might be probably 2. So you have 1, yeah, that. So you are going to remain with 5 and 6 as a middle number. So therefore, you add them to divide by 2.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah. The formula is going to be n plus 1. Okay, so n plus 1 over 2. Okay. So n is the total number of this data. So you count this data, how many there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Right, so it's going to be 20 plus 1. So 20 plus 1 is going to be 21, and divide by 2 is going to be 10, 0.5. So you can count 10 from either end, either from the left or from the from the right. So you will see it's going to fall between 5 and 6. Okay, which you come back to the same answer. So you add them and then okay. The minimark, we need to add all the numbers. Okay, so they are 109, and then we divide by the total number of each of these data added. So it's 20. It's going to be 109 divided by 20, which gives us a 5.45. The range is the highest, so the highest there is 9 after you've organized. The lowest is 1, so the range is going to be 9 minus 1, which is 8. So that is just the spread of data. So how spread your values are. Okay. Yeah, this is easy. Easy. Okay. Right. So let's start with exercise 1. Yeah. Each of those you need to find the mode, the range. Question 1. Let's start with question 1. Have you finished the first one?
The first one is what? Give me a second. I'm doing the third one.
Okay, so what is the answer to 1A?
Well, the mode for A is 6, and the median is 6. For B, the mode is 8.
I'm asking you for range, is it?
What? No.
The question is find the mode and find the range. Do you have a different on your book?
No, you're right. Unfortunately, for some reason, instead of find the range, I read it as find the median.
Be careful.
All right. Well, for B, the mode is 8. All right. Let's do the ranges. So the range would be for A 9 to 2.
It's 9 take away 2.
Take away 2.
Yeah, that's the range. So that should give you 7.
So it's the numbers in between, basically.
No, when you're explaining, you're talking about a range. No, it's how spread your data is. Yeah, but when English wise, yes, range you feel is the numbers in between.
Okay.
Yeah.
For B, it's the mode is 8, and
the range
is 1. No, sorry, the range is 9.
Yeah, 17 take away 8. Yeah, it was 9.
9.
Okay.
C, the mode is 8.2. And the range is 0.1.
Okay.
So
for number 2.
For 2, the median for A is 3. For B is 4.5.
Did you reorganize the data?
Yes.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you had 0, 1, 2, 2, and then 4, then 5, then 7, 7, 8, and then 9.
Yes.
Okay. C.
So C, the median for C is 6.93.
Yeah.
And then I was doing this number 3 then.
Okay, go on. Okay, have you finished number 3? Yeah.
Yes. That number 3A is the range is 17 seconds.
17.
The range is 17 seconds. Yes. And B, the median time is 81 seconds.
Yeah.
And 4 for the mean score is 60.22 marks. So I'm doing number 5 now. Okay.
You may not be able to finish it. So what you do here, there are only seconds left. So you do number 5. Now you have plenty of examples here. You can even do exercise 2, although they have given the formula I was just giving you there, okay, which is 1 plus 1 over 2. You have to find the median, but do not worry, use what we have just done. But if you can't, don't worry about it. We'll go over them. Yeah, but I think just do question 5, 6, and 7.
Okay.
Don't go further here. We'll do it together tomorrow.
All right.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Okay. So I'll see you tomorrow. Okay.
Thank you. See you.
All right.
Good night.
Okay, good night.